But as you're starting to welcome team members back and dreaming of the workspace of the future, it really boils around three things: places to connect, places to collaborate, and places to concentrate. The second area, as you're thinking about workspaces, is collaborate. And so here you see one of the many meeting rooms that we're learning with different technologies and services and sizes. And so this one uses Logitech's conferencing technology. Having double screens allows us to see everyone and for the teams to see us and share presentations. And yes, we encourage on cameras for remote team members whenever possible. And this is a brand new area that we've set up. So this is our low top, high top setup. And this high-low setup allows team members to stand up and have a quick meeting, roll up the TV screen when necessary, or if you need to sit down and have a conversation. It's also on casters, so we can actually move the table around and reuse this space as needed. But one of my favorite areas is right over here. So when you're needing a touchdown space for a quick private conversation, a little one-on-one or a semi-private conversation, these high back chairs are a great way to do that. And for introverts like me, it's almost like you're submersed underwater. So I can put on my AirPods and just put on my Headspace app and chillax for just a minute, which is nice. Okay, off to the coffee bar and break area. So we know as team members were coming back, break areas was another key thing to get right. And so companies have been putting really a lot more emphasis on hospitality amenities. So it's great for team members to connect and collaborate over a coffee or tea, but it also doubles as an impromptu meeting space. Sharing meals is another great way to enhance culture and community. And when your teams are coming back together, it's all about ideation. So many companies have learned and experienced firsthand that collaboration is more effective when it's done in person. In this space, teams can casually come together and work through ideas. The furniture is completely movable with a mixture of soft seating, work tables, and marker boards. And of course, all of the quick flex walls are writable as well. So thank you so much, and we'd love to continue to help you as you navigate the future of work.